A Honda City 2018 install Convex Android Master Go Series 10.1 inch Android GPS big screen player. City 2018 high spec with original reverse camera. Okay, install with Convex Night Vision Plus front camera. Okay, OEM big screen casing with OEM canbus sockets plug and play. Okay, let me show you for the reverse camera. Original reverse camera, got 3 angle. Okay, parking will auto switch to front camera view. Can choose 1 second to 10 second. Okay, 10.1 inch Android big screen casing, which is good fitting casing, and OEM socket plug and play, no cut wire. Okay, this is Convex MC-100AD 2018 September version. Android version 8.0. 8 core 64-bit 4GB RAM with 32GB storage. Okay, it's got a 3 USB slot, USB extension, support portable hard disk and USB pen drive, 1 SD card slot which is inside the body, so you have to insert the SD card before your installation. Easy connect mirroring, steering wheel control. So canbus setting will auto setting for canbus. Let me show you for radio. Steering control will auto setting after insert canbus socket. Clear apps. Clear all. Back to home. A front camera, menu press, wheel for front parking. Play Store, you have to log in a Gmail to download app from Play Store. You can download Waze and Google Maps for online maps, or download Papago for offline. YouTube, video input and video output, connect Bluetooth, and press A2DP for Bluetooth music. So this is Convex 10.1 inch MC-100AD Android Master Go Series with OEM casing and OEM canbus socket for Honda City 2018. Plug and play. Installed by OneBiz. Thank you.